how to share your Facebook Reels to Instagram automatically. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically share your Facebook Reels to Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on your menu. Like these three horizontal lines, and after that you're going to click on your profile, or you can scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then you're going to click on settings, and after that you're going to click on your account center, and here you'll be able to see an option that says sharing across profiles. So find for this option and just click on it. So here you can see that I have an Instagram account over here. So if you wish to share your Facebook Reels to your Instagram account, you're going to click on your Instagram account, and after that you'll be able to see an option that says your Instagram Reels. So you can either share your Instagram post, your Instagram story, or your Instagram Reels. But however, if you have not set up sharing your Instagram Reels, you're going to set it up first. So for that, just click on setup, and a pop-up will appear like this asking for your consent. So you're going to click on allow. After that, a toggle button will appear. So you're going to turn this toggle button on and it will become blue. So after that, whatever Facebook Reel you post could easily be shared to your Instagram. So that was basically how you can share your Facebook Reels to your Instagram account. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.